Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a HubSpot form into your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, the first step is to actually have a form that you can embed into WordPress. So let's go over into our forms menu and create a new form. I'm going to go here, click create a new form. Excuse me. And then you need to select embedded form, click next. And here you can start from a blank template or use whichever template you would like. I'll select the registration one, click start. And now you have all of these options with which you can edit your form. You can select the options. You can do whatever you want. You can preview and style it a bit more if you want. I'll make it linear. And then you can also automate it if you want. And it's auto-saved with unpublished, changes. But as you can see, you can review it and publish, and then once you click publish, you can then go ahead and copy this link to embed it. Now you can copy the share link, or you can copy the embed code. I'll copy the share link first, and then go over into into WordPress, select embed as the blocks that you want to add, and then paste the URL into the embed block. Click here, click embed, and for some reason it's not working, so let's go ahead and try the code. Now, if I go over back here, click on embed code, click copy, I go over back into WordPress, and let's find the code block. It should be near the top. There we go. Select the code block, put it over here, write the code, and that should be it. Now, I'm not sure why it's not showing as it should, but let me change this and let me try the embed block again. So let's go back to embed. I'm not sure why that's not working as intended, probably because I'm still in the editor, but let's see it like that. Then go here, click edit as HTML, enter this, and as you can see, it contains unexpected or invalid content. I'm not sure why this is happening, because I did everything as it should, but that is pretty much the process that you need to go through. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.